Hanji students, Sat Sri Akal. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Let's do the topic of LIAN in Muslim law. What is LIAN? LIAN. So what happens in LIAN is that the Muslim husband charges his wife that she is guilty of adultery. Now what is adultery? Adultery means that she is having voluntary sexual intercourse with some other male person other than him, other than the husband. So basically, she has been charged by the husband that you are being guilty of adultery. Then, in case if the charge is basically false, she has been made a victim by the husband. She has been made the victim by the husband, and the husband also knows that whatever he is saying against her is totally false. In reality, she is not guilty of adultery, but he is making false accusation on her that you are guilty of adultery. Then what the Muslim wife has got? She has got the relief of approaching the civil court, the family court, or even the Sharia court also. She can approach the court, she can file a civil suit, and on the basis of the civil suit, she can ask for divorce from such Muslim husband until and unless he really feels regret about whatever he has said. So once the husband charges her wife of adultery and the charge basically is false, then the husband is guilty of such a great blunder that the wife can approach the civil court, the family court, if she wants to. Basically, it's her own choice, it's her own free will. Nobody can compel her to approach the court. If she really wants to get divorced from such husband until and unless he feels regret about whatever he has said, then she can approach the court voluntarily and she can ask for divorce against such person until and unless he feels regret about whatever he has said. Now during trial, if it comes out that really the charge of the husband is false, then the wife has an opportunity to ask divorce from such court. The court then will ask the husband that are you feeling regret about whatever you have said? And if he really feels regret about whatever he has said, and at what time? During the start of the proceedings, during the commencement of the proceedings, not at the end of the proceedings, not when whole evidence has been given on behalf of the husband and on behalf of the wife, and at the end it is sure that he will lose. He has given whole evidence of his innocence and he is at the up till end he is accusing her of adultery, but now at the end it comes out that he will lose the case. Then he is feeling regret about whatever he has said. No, so he is being opportunist here. Just to save himself from divorce, he is now feeling regret at the end of the evidence. No, he has to feel regret at the commencement of the proceedings, at the start of the proceedings, not at the end of the proceedings, not at the time when the judgment is about to be written by the court. No, if he really genuinely feels regret about whatever he has said at the start of the proceedings, then of course the wife will not get the degree of divorce, because now he is feeling regret about whatever he has said, but at the start of the proceedings, not at the end of the close of evidence. No. So if the charge is false, and the court will give an opportunity to the husband that are you really feeling regret about whatever you have said, and he is really feeling regret about whatever he has said, then obviously the wife will not get the divorce decree. But in case the charge of the husband is true, and it comes out to be true through the evidence given by the husband and through all the other matters and circumstantial evidence also, it comes out that the charge made by the husband is true, then obviously wife will not get the decree of divorce. So in this case, in LIAN, the wife has to approach the court. It is she who has to approach the court, not the husband. Husband once makes a false charge, it is the wife who has to approach the court, and in case she does not approach the court, LIAN itself does not end the marriage. Ipso facto, just by LIAN, just by charging her of adultery, the marriage does not end. Marriage still subsists. It is the wife who has to approach the court. Until and unless wife does not approach the court, marriage will subsist. And during the trial, the court will give the chance to the husband that you can feel regret. Are you really feeling regret about whatever you have said? And if he genuinely feels the regret about whatever he has said, then obviously the suit filed by the wife, that is of divorce, it will fail and it will be dismissed, and the chance will be given to both husband and wife to live together happily again. The basic aim of the court to allow the husband or give time to the husband to feel regret is that to preserve the marriage, to establish a better relationship between husband and wife. So this was a very short topic of LIAN. I hope you like the lecture. Do comment on the video below. Thank you very much. Sat Sri Akal.